Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Tuesday. You've got Whiskey Wednesday, Thirsty Thursday, TGIF on Friday. What's Tuesday? Somebody tell me. Curious. All right. Last night, I prepared the Casual Chef Crudo Mexicano tacos, aka pork tacos. Simple, quick, and yummy. I just did tacos, no rice, no beans, just the tacos. No leftovers. Quick, simple, out. The recipe will be posted. It's basically a list of ingredients. It's a very typical casual chef recipe, but there are actual measurements in this one. So try it. You might like it. Tonight, I am preparing bourbon steak tips. Now that's a little misnomer. The reason this caught my eye initially is because it actually calls for venison or elk, not beef. I will be kicking this recipe up a notch. It's lacking some stuff that I like, but I'll get into that in a minute. I'm going to do cheddar smashed potatoes, and I'm doing the Casual Chef corn sauté, one of my favorites. All right, let's get to it. Hardware. We'll get right into the elk. I have some elk. My brother-in-law George got this for us. I mean, he got us, as in other words, he hunted this elk. We still have a pretty good sized freezer full of elk in various forms. So it's going to be elk. I'm actually going to add some onion and a little bit of red pepper that was left over from the corn. But the sauce is actually unique. This has also caught my attention. I just ran out and got this Maker's Mark. I just could not do a Jack Daniels in this. I like Maker's Mark, and you know my saying, only use wine or alcohol, spirits, beer that you like to drink. I like Maker's Mark. It has maple syrup in it. It's got a little bit of apple cider vinegar and some red pepper flakes, chives, and some butter. A lot of butter in this. And I won't be using all those 2 sticks. And of course, some olive oil, some kosher salt, black pepper. And now we're getting into the corn. Again, we're starting with butter, a little bit of olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic, diced red bell pepper. I will only use about half of that. And about a cup and a half of frozen corn. And parsley for a little bit of flavor, and of course garnish that adds some green specks to this. So there it is. Actually, a simple meal, prepped pretty easy. I actually have a phone meeting this morning on a different matter, and then I have an interview. To be a Zoom or some type of video interview tonight for my folks in Sacramento. They're putting together for me based on Casual Chef and Casual Chef's Kitchen. Cool. Getting some press. So Robin has a meeting at 6, so I have to have dinner by 5:15. Not a problem. So enjoy your Tuesday. Eat great food. And have fun cooking. Phenomena. Phenomena.